Welcome to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own contracting business, you're in the right place. I'm Jordan, a professional carpenter with years of experience, and today I'm going to share my journey and tips on how to become a successful contractor. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing some valuable resources in the video description below that you can use to continue your contracting business journey. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a contractor actually does. As a contractor, you'll oversee construction projects from start to finish. This includes planning, hiring subcontractors, managing budgets, and ensuring everything meets quality standards. Whether you're working on residential or commercial projects, your role is crucial in bringing plans to life. Transitioning from carpentry, you'll be expanding your scope and taking on more responsibilities. To be successful, you need a mix of technical skills and soft skills. Coming from a carpentry background, you already have a strong foundation in construction methods and hands-on work. Now, you'll need to expand that knowledge to include project management, safety regulations, and business operations. Soft skills are equally important. Communication, leadership, and problem-solving abilities will help you manage your team and clients effectively. Additionally, consider taking courses in construction management or business administration to round out your skills. Next up is business planning. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success. Start with market research, understand the demand for contractors in your area, your competition, and potential clients. Outline your business structure, services you'll offer, and pricing strategies. Financial planning is key. Estimate your startup costs, operating expenses, and revenue projections. Set clear, achievable goals and milestones for your business. Now, let's talk about licensing and certification. Different countries and cities may have different and specific requirements for contractors. Coming from carpentry, you might already have some relevant certifications, so build on those. Building a strong network is essential. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other contractors, suppliers, and potential clients. Networking helps you stay updated on industry trends, find new opportunities, and build a reputation in the market. As a carpenter, you likely have a good starting network of fellow tradespeople and suppliers. Use these connections to your advantage. Marketing is crucial for attracting clients. Create a professional website showcasing your work, and use social media to reach a broader audience. Invest in SEO to ensure potential clients can find you easily online. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials and referrals. Showcasing your craftsmanship as a carpenter can really set you apart. Effective project and client management can set you apart from the competition. Use project management tools to keep track of deadlines, budgets, and progress. Regularly communicate with your clients to keep them informed and address any concerns promptly. Building trust and maintaining a good relationship with your clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. From my experience as a carpenter, maintaining high standards and clear communication has always been key to client satisfaction. To sum it up, becoming a successful contractor requires a blend of technical skills, business acumen, and excellent management abilities. Focus on continuous learning, networking, and effective marketing to grow your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check out the video description below for valuable resources that will help you continue your contracting business journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.